Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet a simple and easy flower keychain. It is beginner friendly and I demonstrate the pattern step by step. But if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. I'll be using a 3.5mm hook, and we're going to start off by working a magic circle. We're going to chain one and work a single crochet into the magic circle. Now we're going to chain 5, working down our chain. We're going to skip the first chain and then work 4 single crochets into the next 4 chains. Now we're going to slip stitch into the single crochet to join. And we're going to repeat this 4 more times. So we're going to start off by working a single crochet into the magic circle and then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip the first chain, and then work 4 single crochets into the chain, and then at the end just slip stitch to join. Now that we have our 5 petals, we can close our ring by pulling on the tail. Now we're going to slip stitch into that first single crochet to join. So now we're going to start working on our petals. We're going to start off by working 1 single crochet into that first chain. On the next chain, we're going to work 1 half double crochet, and then on the next chain, we're working 1 double crochet. And on the last stitch, we're going to work 7 double crochets into that same stitch. On the next stitch, we're working 1 double crochet, one half double crochet into the next stitch, one single crochet into the next stitch, now we're going to slip stitch into the next 2 stitches to join, and we're going to repeat this 4 more times for each petal. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload weekly videos. I'll see you in the next one.